Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce risks with Norton Security easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Norton Security and press enter. Locate the official Norton website from the search results. Once on the home page, find and click on the sign in option. Enter your Norton account credentials and click sign in. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create a new one. After signing in, you'll see your Norton dashboard. From the dashboard, select the Security section. Next, click on Protect My Devices. Choose the devices you want to protect with Norton Security. Follow the prompts to download and install the Norton software on each device. Once installed, open the Norton application on your device. You may be prompted to run an initial scan. Go ahead and do that. After the scan is complete, review the results. If any threats are detected, follow the recommendations to resolve them. To customize your security settings, navigate to the Settings tab in the Norton app. Here, you can adjust settings for antivirus, firewall, and identity protection. For optimal protection, make sure automatic updates are enabled. Next, schedule regular scans by selecting the Scan Scheduler option. This will ensure your devices are consistently monitored for threats. To further reduce risks, enable the Web Protection feature. This will help block malicious websites when browsing. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Norton support resources for any additional help. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce risks and enhance your security with Norton. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.